हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं हूं आपकी फ्रेंड अलका। आप अगर बीएड एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड आपके लिए एक इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट रहने वाला है। तो मैं लाई हूं टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड लर्निंग एनवायरनमेंट स्कूल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में को लेकर। तो इसमें मैंने टॉप 40 क्वेश्चंस रखा है जो आपके एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट होंगे। ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो उससे पहले मेरे इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कराने वाले सारे वीडियोज़ के लिए अपडेट रहें। ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो आगे बढ़ेंगे देरी ना करते हुए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 की ओर। सम ऑफ द इसेंशियल फिजिकल टूल्स ऑफ अ स्कूल कैंपस आर प्लेग्राउंड, लाइब्रेरी, रिकॉर्ड रूम, मूवी हॉल, स्टेडियम, किचन, प्लेग्राउंड, कैंटीन एंड लाइब्रेरी एंड ओनली बिल्डिंग. So some of the essential physical tools of a school campus are playground, library and record room. ओके, तो ये सब इसेंशियल फिजिकल टूल्स हैं जो एक स्कूल कैंपस में ज़रूरी होते हैं. सो राइट आंसर ऑप्शन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रिंसिपल्स वी नीड टू अप्लाई इन द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ मटेरियल रिसोर्सेज? देयर शुड बी मिनिमम यूज ऑफ ऑल अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेज. लोकल रिसोर्सेज शुड नॉट बी यूज्ड. There should be maximum utilization of all available resources and resources are meant for teachers and staff. So, there should be maximum utilization of all available resources we need to apply in the management of material resources. तो available resources का ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा utilization करना चाहिए management of material resources में. ये हमारा principles है. So right answer option C. Question number 3. The main feature of physical resource management in the school premises is entertainment, heart, time taken and adequacy. So the main feature of physical resource management in the school premises is adequacy. Adequacy it means पर्याप्तता, किसी चीज़ का पर्याप्त होना. Okay, so right answer option D. Question number 4. Which one of the following steps is involved in the process of physical resource management modification? Minimal use of resources, surveying the resources, ensuring their full and effective use, and classification of resources. So, surveying the resources is involved in the process of physical resource management modification. So, right answer option B. Question number 5. Who is responsible for all school building equipment and property to be well maintained? Head of school, teacher, students and ministers. So head of school is responsible for all school building equipment and property to be well maintained. So right answer option A. Question number 6. The hindrance in physical resource management is less number of students, administrative shortfalls, inadequate funding and specially trained teachers. तो फिजिकल रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट में हिंड्रेंस होती हैं, उसकी रुकावटें होते हैं. दैट वाज इनएडिक्वेट फंडिंग, अपर्याप्त फंडिंग होना, कोर्स होना. दैट वाज द हिंड्रेंस इन फिजिकल रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट. सो राइट आंसर ऑप्शन सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट इज मेनली कंसर्न विद द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ human resources, physical resources, both human and physical resources, and none of these. So resource management is mainly concerned with the management of both human and physical resources. So right answer option C. Question number 8. The physical resources of a school include a school structure, building, library and all of the above. So the physical resources of a school include school structure, building and library, all of the above. So right answer option D. Question number 9. A tool for resource maintenance is ICT, TLM, teaching learning material, maintaining stock and none of these. तो resource maintenance का tool क्या होता है? That was a tool for resource maintenance is ICT, information and communication technology. Okay, so right answer option A. Question number 10. What is the major factor to be kept in mind while managing a resource management system? Physical resources of the school building, relevant software required to use ICT support, surveying of existing material resources, and correct system for repair and replenishment. So correct system for repair and replenishment is the major factor to be kept in mind while managing a resource management system. So right answer option D. तो करेक्ट सिस्टम रखना चाहिए रिपेयर और रिप्लेनिशमेंट को लेकर, ये एक मेजर फैक्टर हमें अपने माइंड में रखना चाहिए जब हम रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम को मैनेज करते हैं. ओके, सो राइट आंसर ऑप्शन डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Which of the following is an example of a democratic learning environment with respect to the teaching learning process of the classroom? Opportunities are provided to the students to investigate a problem, observe possible solutions, ask questions, and etc. Teachers decide the nature of the experiment, the nature of the activities, the time, space, and the students have to follow their instructions. The students are instructed to follow strict discipline and to remain so throughout the teaching learning process. Teachers are the center of all learning activities while students remain passive learner. So, opportunities are provided to the students to investigate a problem, observe possible solutions and ask questions, etc. अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ स्टूडेंट्स को दिया जाएगा कि प्रॉब्लम्स को इन्वेस्टिगेट करे, उसे ऑब्जर्व करे, सॉल्यूशंस को और क्वेश्चंस पूछे. दैट वाज इज़ एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ डेमोक्रेटिक लर्निंग एनवायरनमेंट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस ऑफ क्लासरूम. तो टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस ऑफ क्लासरूम का ये एक इन्वायरमेंट है, डेमोक्रेटिक लर्निंग एनवायरमेंट. तो ये एक एग्जाम्पल है. सो राइट आंसर ऑप्शन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. A child learns values, moral, etiquette, and social etiquette from his environment, which helps him in the process of socialization. This type of learning takes place in which of the following environment? Formal learning environment, informal learning environment, non-formal learning environment, and none. एक चाइल्ड लर्न्स करता है, सीखता है वैल्यूज़, मॉरल्स, नैतिकता और एटिक्वेट, शिष्टाचार, सामाजिक शिष्टाचार फ्रॉम हिज इन्वायरमेंट से, जो उन्हें सोशलाइजेशन के लिए प्रोसेस को बढ़ावा देती है. दिस टाइप ऑफ लर्निंग टेक्स प्लेस इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इन्वायरमेंट? सो इनफॉर्मल लर्निंग इन्वायरमेंट. सो राइट आंसर ऑप्शन बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. Which one of the following is responsible for prompting anxiety among the students of your student class? Unfavorable personality orientation, depressing atmosphere, violation of the common code by the teacher, and blockade in the development of children's soul concept. So violation of the common code by the teacher is responsible for prompting anxiety among the students of your student class. So right answer option C. Question number 14. Which of the following teacher assignments would best promote parents as partners in their child's education? Parents sign their child's progress report so that they can monitor the child's learning, contacting parents with good information about their children as needed, sending home a copy of the school's policy on family involvement with each child, and encouraging parents to have high aspirations for their child's education. So parents sign their प्रोग्रेस रिपोर्ट सो दैट दे कैन मॉनिटर द चाइल्ड्स लर्निंग. पेरेंट्स उनके चाइल्ड्स की प्रोग्रेस रिपोर्ट को साइन करें ताकि उन बच्चे के लर्निंग को मॉनिटर करे. दिस इज़ द टीचर असाइनमेंट्स वुड बेस्ट प्रमोट पेरेंट्स एज पार्टनर्स इन द चाइल्ड एजुकेशन. वो अपने चाइल्ड के एजुकेशन में पार्टनर्स बन सकते हैं. ये बेस्ट प्रमोट है पेरेंट्स के लिए. सो राइट आंसर ऑप्शन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंस्ट्रक्शनल प्रैक्टिसेस ensure that a teacher designs the learning environment to meet the needs of a diverse students? Differentiation, treatment, prosperity, and impersonation. So differentiation ensures that teacher designs the learning environment to meet the needs of diverse students. So right answer option A. Question number 16. What is a healthy physical school environment? School campus in good location, school premises without any danger, school premises with good infrastructure, and school premises with good sanitation facilities. So school premises without any danger is a health physical school environment. So right answer option B. Question number 17. In order to create a healthy physical environment in the school, whose participation is necessary? Teacher, student, society, school administrators, parents, students and health experts, community leader, and health minister. So in order to create a healthy physical environment in school, school administrators, parents, students, and health experts is necessary. So right answer option B. Question number 18. Question number 18. Dash micro teaching is more effective during the preparation of teaching exercises, during the teaching exercise, after teaching practice, and always. So during the teaching exercise, micro teaching is more effective. So right answer option B. Question number 19. What is called the systematic science which provides rules, laws, and principles to achieve adjustment with self and environment, motivation, mental health, and learning, and dual? So mental health provides rules, laws, and principles to achieve adjustment with self and environment. तो मेंटल हेल्थ प्रोवाइड करता है रूल्स को, लॉज को, प्रिंसिपल्स को खुद को अचीव करने में, एडजस्ट करने में और इन्वायरमेंट के साथ. सो राइट आंसर ऑप्शन बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. अ मॉडल ऑफ टीचिंग एक्सप्लेन्स विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग: टीचर्स बिहेवियर इंक्लूडिंग टीचर स्टूडेंट इंट्रैक्शंस, लर्निंग इन्वायरमेंट इंक्लूडिंग टीचर बिहेवियर, learning behavior including personality characteristics, and its content with logical structure. A model of teaching explains learning environment including teaching behavior. Okay, so right answer option B. Question number 21. Which factor affects the quality of learning? Physical, social, cultural, and all of the above. So all of the above affects the quality of learning. So right answer option D. Question number 22. Under which learning experience local tour is organized? MLA, prestigious, symbolic, and effective. So under MLA learning experience, local tour is organized. So right answer option A. Question number 23. Which of the following is a direct method of adjustment? Projection, suppression, regression, and replacement of target. So replacement of target is a direct method of adjustment. So right answer option D. Question number 24. In which of the following is the direction of effect mainly unidirectional? Consulting, direction, teaching, and learning. So learning is the direction of effect mainly unidirectional. So right answer option D. Question 25. Which one of the following aspects of the environment in the context of the school university determines the educational ethos? Clearly human relations pattern in the workplace, latest laboratory equipment, internally attractive campus, and well-equipped lecture hall. So clearly human relations pattern in the workplace, aspects of the environment in the context of the school in university determines the educational ethos. So right answer option A. Question number 26. Which of the following possible factors affecting teaching are related to instructional facilities and learning environment? Active movement in interactive processes, learning aids, infrastructural facility, and praise and encouragement by the teacher. So active movement in interactive processes, factors affecting teaching are related to instructional facilities and learning environment. So right answer option A. Question number 27. What type of environment should be provided to the children for better education? Where their experiences and feeling will get their due place, where they get the most opportunities to play, where they are likely to become more and more friends, and where strict discipline is adopted. So where their experiences and feelings will get their due places should be provided to the children for better education. तो उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस और फीलिंग्स को सही जगह देने वाले स्थान को ही बेटर एजुकेशन मिलेगा. राइट आंसर ऑप्शन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. Which teaching theory provides support for active participation of learning in the learning process in an interactive setting with instructive motivation as the basis? Skinner's theory of reinforcement, Vygotsky theory of constructivism, Kohler's theory of insight, and Vygotsky constructivism. So, Vygotsky constructivism theory provides support for active participation of learning in the learning process is an interactive setting with instructive motivation as the basis. So, right answer option D. Question number 29. Dash demonstrates a basic level of order, but the teacher still struggles to remain it. Adequate classroom environment, prescriptive restrictive learning environment, situated enabling learning environment, and ideal classroom environment. So, adequate classroom environment demonstrates a basic level of order, but the teacher still struggles to maintain it. So, right answer option A. Question number 30. Dash are tight-shaped classrooms where the teacher maintains a high level of structure, manages a regular routine, and uses very few instructional strategies. Malfunctioning classroom environment, systematic controlled learning environment, systematic friendly learning environment, and adequate classroom environment. So, systematic controlled learning environment are tight-shaped classroom where the teacher maintains a high level of structure, manages a regular routine, and uses very few instructional strategies. So, right answer option B. सॉरी फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे सी है बट बी होगा यहाँ पे. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. टू विच फैमिली डज द एडवांस ऑर्गेनाइजर मॉडल बिलोंग? सोशल कॉन्टेक्ट, इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेस, पर्सनल एंड बिहेवियर मॉडिफिकेशन. So information process does the advanced organizer model belong? So right answer option B. Question number 32. Dash is found in a well-conducted classroom where the teacher uses a variety of routines and instructional strategies, and the emphasis is on the students making the content meaningful. Systematic friendly learning environment, adequate classroom environment, malfunctioning classroom environment, and systematic controlled learning environment. So, right answer option A, systematic friendly learning environment. Question number 33. How should students be motivated to achieve success in life? Choosing subject of study, relevant studies, intensive study, and study of Anuvachan. So, intensive study, Gahan study should be motivated to achieve success in life. तो गहन विद्या से ही हम स्टूडेंट्स को मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं. राइट आंसर ऑप्शन सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टीचर डज नॉट डिटरमाइन द एटमोसफेयर ऑफ द क्लासरूम? एटीट्यूड, एज, मैन, एंड रिलेशनशिप विथ स्टूडेंट्स. So age is the teacher does not determine the atmosphere of the classroom. So right answer option B. Question number 35. Religion, gender, economic background, and even learning style in schools are all notable factor of culture, personality, variety, and environment. So religion, gender, economic background, and even learning style in schools are all notable factor of variety. So right answer option C. Question number 36. Which is not an element of positive learning environment? Motivate the learner, creation of interest, control by force, and planning activities. So control by force is not an element of positive learning environment. So right answer option C. Question number 37. To maintain discipline in the class, students should be severely punished for the act of indiscipline. The teacher should try to make his learning interesting. Students who do not attain should be kicked out of class, and parents of undisciplined students should be informed. So to maintain discipline in the class, the teacher should try to make his teaching interesting. सो राइट आंसर ऑप्शन बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 38, स्टूडेंट्स लर्न ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ड्रिल मेथड, माउंटेन्स, काउंटिंग, पोएम एंड ऑल ऑफ द अबव। सो फ्रेंड्स, ये माउंटेन्स नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे माउंटेन्स की जगह पे आपको होगा, एक सेकेंड जस्ट, मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल। ओके, माउंटेन्स नहीं हुआ, यहाँ पे गलत है। तो स्टूडेंट लर्न ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ड्रिल मेथड, तो पहाड़े जो होते हैं उसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल कहते हैं। ओके, और काउंटिंग गिनती, एंड पोएम ऑल ऑफ द अबव। तो ड्रिल मेथड से ऑल ऑफ द अबव सीखते हैं। ओके, तो माउंटेन्स नहीं होगा, मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल्स होगा। सो राइट आंसर ऑप्शन डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 39, which syntax is important in the structure of learning patterns at memory and comprehension level? Planning, exploration, generalization and presentation. So presentation is important in the structure of learning patterns at memory and comprehension level. So right answer option D. Question number 40, micro learning is graduation teaching, impressive teaching, assessment teaching and actual teaching, actual learning. So micro learning is graduation teaching. Okay, so right answer option A. ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो ये 40 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट हो गए जो लर्निंग एनवायरनमेंट में थे। तो फिर अगली वीडियो में और सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस के साथ हम मिलेंगे। अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट्स या क्वेश्चंस है तो आप मुझसे कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं। ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो अगर आपको ये मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक और शेयर कीजिए, और आने वाले सारे वीडियोज़ के लिए सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। तो आप अपना ख्याल रखिए, अपने पेरेंट्स का ख्याल रखिए।